This is Star Wars The Black Series, the Mandalorian Imperial Stormtrooper, also known as the version 2 Black Series Stormtrooper. Well, I don't know if it's actually known as that, but that's just what I'm going to call it. So this is something I usually don't take a look at, but this is Star Wars Black Series. I actually have done a Black Series review in the past, that being on the Imperial Biker Scout and bike set. And funnily enough, since making that review, I said that that is a hard to find figure. They actually have announced a re-release, if you want to call it that, but this time for the Mandalorian, and it comes with a different color scheme for the bike, and also it comes with the little pouch and a baby Yoda, so that's actually pretty cool. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about. We were talking about this. This is the Mandalorian Stormtrooper. You know, it's just a standard Stormtrooper. It's not like a Remnant Stormtrooper, so it doesn't have any of the battle damage, which, you know, I'm really surprised it actually doesn't. But this is a clean Stormtrooper, and this is a updated design to the original Black Series Stormtrooper. And once I saw this updated design, I really wanted to get this. And so I did. So here is the new packaging for the Black Series figures. If you didn't know, they recently changed their packaging design. And it's not bad. I like it a lot, actually. And it is now color-coded based on the movie or series or TV series. In this case, for the Mandalorian, all the boxes are going to have this it's like a yellow brownish type color here, and this is number 2 in the Mandalorian series, so you can see Star Wars Mandalorian number 2, and it wraps around here to the artwork, so you can see more of the brown yellow color there, letting you know that this is from the Mandalorian series. And then it wraps around here, and yeah, so it's a very nice way to kind of, you know which movie or TV show the figure that you're getting comes from. You know, it's just the typical, it says Black Series on top. There's just a look at the figure itself. Comes with 1 gun. I know the older Black Series Stormtrooper actually came with 2 guns. And I actually do have the older Black Series, so I may do a comparison in the future. I don't have it with me right now in my apartment, but it is back at home. So if you want me to do a comparison between the new Stormtrooper and the old Stormtrooper, I can definitely do that. So here's a quick read up on the back if you want to read that. And of course it says it in other languages down there. And yeah, here's just the top. Here's the bottom. So nothing really to say about the packaging. So let's crack this open and see what we got on the inside. All right, so let's get my handy dandy knife, and we will cut the tape on top here. So let's see. Go about it this way, actually. Hopefully you can see this on camera. There we go. Got tape there, and then there's more tape here. There, and then 1 more tape on the side here. All right, and let's crack this open, shall we? Okay. And let's pull out the tray. Very simple, nothing on the inside, no instructions, but then again, I mean, you don't really need it. And there we go. Now it actually does come with, that's probably just like a warning. Yeah, small parts, warning. And there's no twist ties or anything like that, so that's kind of nice. You can kind of just pull it out. So we'll pull out the iconic E11 here. I don't know if it's different from the original Black Series E11, or if it's completely new. But then again, you know, it is a pretty iconic design, so I'm pretty sure they didn't really change much from it. The clip isn't removable or anything like that. It's all just the one solid piece. But although you can't really see it on camera, it is nicely detailed. So putting that aside, let's pull out the figure. here we go. Here he is. All right. Wow. All right. So already I can say right away, man, this figure looks a lot better than the original Black Series Stormtrooper. So let me change camera view so you can actually get a closer look at this figure. All right, so here is a closer look at the brand new Black Series Stormtrooper. And the details and just the body proportions look so much better than the original Black Series Stormtrooper. Like the helmet proportions just look so much better, well proportioned to the body compared to the original. I remember the original had a really big helmet. These proportions just look really like human-like. And that's really cool to see. Unfortunately, taking it out of the box, right away I can notice some paint flaws, I guess you can say. Like you can maybe see it right there, some white missing, there's some like specks of black here and there. So I guess it's not a bad thing because, you know, these stormtroopers are supposed to be like remnant stormtroopers, so of course the armor is not going to be perfect, but it still is kind of, I guess, annoying since this is supposed to be, you know, like a shiny, clean stormtrooper. You can even see like here on the joint part here, you can see like white there, and it's supposed to be all black. Like on this side it's all black, this side you can see a little bit of white just peeking through there, so that's really annoying. I'm taking a look at the back, if I can get him to stand. I'm just lean on against here for now. Okay. The black looks nice. Again, the paint, the white, is a really nice glossy finish to it, which looks really good. It's just the few little paint flaws just kind of take away from it a little bit. But overall, man, this is a great looking figure. And you can see a little more paint flaws right there on the arm. But yeah, first impressions, this Stormtrooper looks great. And one thing that is lacking from this version to the other version is the other version actually came with a holster for the E11, while this version does not. So anyways, I don't want to talk too much about this figure for now because of course I will be doing a review on it. But I know I am behind on my review schedule. So currently my reviews are supposed to be the Netflix Megatron first, followed by the oh my god, what am I sorry, the Figma Prime 30 Samus Aran that I recently unboxed, and then it'll probably be this guy next. So that will hopefully be how my next couple reviews will go. And then on Saturday I am planning on doing a live stream, so for one of my model kits. So you will see what that is. I don't know where I'm going to be streaming it, if it'll be on Instagram or if it'll be through like Zoom maybe, but I will try to post that stream to YouTube as well, so let's be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's about it for me. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.